Hope Worldwide is an international charity that changes lives by harnessing the compassion and commitment of dedicated staff and volunteers to deliver sustainable, high-impact, community-based services to the poor and needy. Founded in 1991, Hope Worldwide started with only 3 small local programs and has since expanded to operate on every inhabited continent. In Africa, Hope Worldwide has worked in partnership with governments and other organizations to provide HIV/AIDS care and support, services for orphaned and vulnerable children, and education programs for both adults and children. In India, Hope Worldwide operates in more than 22 cities with programs for children and orphans, employment assistance, the opening of nursery and primary schools, as well as the provision of disaster relief to high-risk areas. Not to mention the establishment of the Village of Hope, which serves 4,000 people affected by leprosy. In Afghanistan, we help to rebuild the country with the construction of clinics, hospitals, schools, irrigation and farming projects, and the provision of medical training to local healthcare professionals. In Cambodia, Hope Worldwide Sihanouk Hospital Center of Hope has been in operation for over 16 years and has provided free medical care to over 1 million patients, including providing medical training to help rebuild the Cambodian medical health care system. Hope Worldwide has been officially active in the Philippines since 1993, working hard to reduce the incidence of child abuse. Our advocacy work in this regard is partly facilitated through the Mobile Puppet Theater, which promotes the identification and prevention of child abuse in the communities they visit. They aim to educate the youth in their rights and also to provide child protection training for teachers and community leaders. To further address the needs of child abuse victims, Hope Worldwide Philippines inaugurated the Laguna Center of Hope in 2005, which targets abused children. This facility provides short-term residential care to children in crisis, individual case management through the work of a multidisciplinary team, treatment and counseling for victims, and in-house preschool or public school education. Hope Worldwide Philippines has also established community-based centers of hope in Payatas and Paseco, which provide a safe haven for local children. These centers provide trained counselors and social workers who educate parents and children, as well as providing a staging ground for medical missions. In Laoag City, Hope Worldwide Philippines started through the generous volunteers of the Laoag City Christian Church. In Matthew chapter 25 it says, "Whatever you did for one of the least of these brothers of mine, you did for me." With this in mind, these volunteers, spearheaded by the 14 missionaries, with the cooperation of the DSWD, identified the most deprived and needy barangays in the province of Ilocos Norte. Over time, we have served 7 barangays such as Kaawakan, Madiladig, Balatong at Sisio Natdeg, Vira, and Barangay Casilian in Bacara. Through their own personal donations of both finances and effort, these volunteers were able to provide these barangays with feeding programs, annual blood donation drives in cooperation with the Philippine Red Cross, tree planting programs, Christmas programs for deprived children, And lastly, medical and dental missions. However, there are still many needs that need to be met. And so, with the cooperation of our sponsors and the Laoag City and Ilocos Norte Provincial governments, we bring to you Run for Hope. We need your help to make more of an impact in the lives of the poor. All proceeds from this event will be used for further outreach and medical and dental programs in selected barangays in Ilocos Norte. Let us bring hope. Let us change lives. Run for hope.